Hey, I'm Mark, and today we're trimming up some mantles. I just took this batch out of the kiln, and in the kiln they'll warp and cup and shrink a little bit, so we'll trim them up in the mill here. Trim about 1/8 of an inch, 1/4 inch off of all four sides. Take a thin slice, get rid of any warpage. We'll get this one, the ends trimmed, get rid of the checking, and get it sanded up, and we'll put it for sale. It'll take me about an hour to get all these done. Appreciate y'all watching.